Hey guys, a lot of you wanted to see a braid tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to make one. I'll show you the best way to create braid that you can easily adjust in length, thickness and shape, and that you can include in your hair. Before that, I want to let you know that I launched my own Roblox group where I post my UGC weekly, so please join. First, we're gonna make a hair shape. Just press Shift A, under mesh, select circle. In the bottom left, under vertices, you will type 3. And go to top view. As you can see, we have now a triangle. You will go to edit mode, select this vert and just slightly move it down. I will also rename it hair shape. Now select our shape, go under object and basically convert it to curve. And now our hair shape is ready. I will just slightly move it to the right. Now we will basically continue with our basic hair. You will just simply add a hat. I will rotate it 90 degrees, just size it down a little bit. And now go to data and under geometry, under bevel, select our hair shape. You will see this, right click on it and basically just shade it flat. Now go to edit mode, select this vert, press Alt S and 0. So you size it down. You will also repeat this with the bottom vert. Now we're gonna make a basic braid shape. So select these two and make it and shape it like that, something like that. You can shape it later too, so it doesn't really matter. Now we're gonna add a empty object. I will rename it center and hide it. Then select our hair and go under modifiers and add a mirror modifier and select our center point. And now you will adjust its shape to something like that. Now select our shape and we will add another modifier. So in this case it will be array modifier. Go to X and just move it slightly up, something like that. And now we will adjust so it fits better. Go to edit mode and just play with it a little bit so you get the shape. So you get something like that, and basically just type the amount of counts that you want. Basically the higher the number, the longer the braid. So I will type like something like 7 and just adjust it a little bit so it looks better. Now when we made our braid, just basically add another pad, go under curve, under pad. I will rotate our pad 90 degrees, move it up a little bit, something like that. And now select our braid, add another modifier. In that case it will be curve modifier, and just under curve object select our pad. I will select our braid and just move it down a little bit, something like that, And now you will see that basically if we select our pad, we can basically adjust and move our braid in the position as we want. We can also tilt it as we want. We can also, I can select this vert and basically scale it down a little bit so it's thinner, and select this one, size it up a little bit so it's something like that. And this is very helpful. We can also, you can tilt this. And now, after we've made our braid, you can go under properties and basically adjust your resolution. So the lower your number will be, the less tries your braid will have. So I recommend something like 6, and then just select our braid, go to object and convert it to mesh. Now I can right click on it and shade it smooth. And this is how you make simple braid. If you have any questions about UGC or Blender or this video in specific, you can join my Discord server where I have channel, and you can ask me anything about it and you will get answers in minutes. So you can join it there.